Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, James and Arsley. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the likes and follows, the shares and comments, suggestions and things of that sort. We truly appreciate it. This video is a little different. Sometimes when we go into town, uh, right at sunset or just shortly prior to sunset, there's always thousands of birds that we see fly in. And it's kind of interesting. You probably see them in different parts of the Philippines, I'm pretty sure. But this is kind of wild. I mean, there's so many birds. It's guaranteed. If you're parked under these wires, electrical wires or Wi-Fi wires and things, you're probably gonna get your car or your motorcycle, pooped on with bird boo boo. So it's very common. You have to cover up your motorcycle at least, because if you're not paying attention at night and you sit on it, guess what, you're going to get dirty. So we normally carry a little small bottle of alcohol and some wipes in case this happens, which is, yeah, you gotta be careful where you park at. So I can't get a definitive answer as to what type of birds these are. There's three kind that I have looked up. They're all they fly fast. They travel long distances. You'll find them in trees. They're just everywhere. They're terrorizing the rice fields, corn, and everything like this here. So these three birds, one is called a Pacific swallow. The second one is called swiftlets. The third one is called barn swallow. So we still haven't found out a definitive answer from anyone as to which one it is, because they're pretty much the same. There's some variations in them on how they act and what they do. But basically, birds, all they do is they eat and just poop everywhere. And I'm telling you, when these birds, when they fly in, they look like bats. It's a little deceiving, because at that sunset and you can't see clearly, they look like bats. They really do. So I remember when I first came here and I seen them, I'm like, just great. I'm in a town 15 minutes away, and there's a bunch of bats flying around, and these things, as we know, they carry rabies. Now birds, they can carry certain things as well that'll get you sick. This is the whole idea of us carrying this alcohol and these wipes with us. Or if we don't, we have something. But main thing, the key thing is that alcohol to disinfect our seats. So yeah, we shot a video and we'd like for you guys to check it out. Maybe you know something about them. If you had trouble with them or anything like that. At least they're not known to take shiny objects from your hand or table or anything. They're just coming there to sleep. So they're swarming in just to land, and I'm telling you, it's amazing when you see in the video. You got to watch out, make sure you're not standing over wire so you don't get bird droppings on you. And I mean, within a matter of 30 minutes, you see all of these electrical lines, including the electrical pole where the electrical box is filled up pretty fast. Now, no way I was gonna stand there and film for 30 minutes. But I think I got enough footage to where you get the idea. So if any of you in the Philippines and you've seen these sorts of birds, let us know what is the name of them, and where do they come from. I mean, they're here in the Philippines, so they they can't fly across the ocean from another country. Possibly, I don't know, but just kind of fascinates me. Birds in general, they're something else. So definitely let us know what you think, and thank you for watching us. Appreciate you. Take care. at that now. So what is the name of these birds? We're gonna have to look it up.
No, you will just add later on, love. Lord, it's getting a lot. Wow. Wow, look at love. See the
Right there.
over there.
Bats.
They are in front of the Jollibee. I like that one there. It looks so nice. That is really nice.
And then they gonna sleep like that all night. That's crazy.
Yeah. Here, hold. Hold. Just like that.
In my pocket.
Just 5 until 5 minutes.
Yeah, then I had a video too. I gotta find out the name of it.
Show that one, Bristol. Oh, this is street. Just show it. There. No, not that.
Yeah, as soon as it comes up. You walk over here, sure. Voice, yeah. I'm gonna record a video with it to talk about the birds. No?
Hello. Hello.
Oh,
You're making a vlog?
I know. Oh, yeah. Hey, Clea.
Your wife, is she your wife?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Very good.
God bless.
Thank you.
Oh. So we're at Jollibee's here, getting ready to cut out, and